Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I'm gonna be discuss how to lock apps on iPhone and iPad. So let's get started without wasting time. First of all, download this type of app and then tap on open and then tap on name and then give it the name and then tap on select app and then select the app and then tap on choose photo and then choose the photo if you download here. So go to icons, wait some seconds, it's loading and then download any icons. I am downloading this one. Tap here and then tap on save icons. As you can see guys, it's saved. Go back and then tap on plus, wait some seconds, choose photo. As you can see guys, so I am choosing this one and then tap on create icon. Wait some seconds. As you can see guys, so tap on this one and then add the home page, and then after adding, remove the app of library and then your app has been locked. So that's it guys for today video. If the video helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. You have no problem, let me know in the comment. I help you more. Thanks for watching.